The NHC has designated this Invest 90L. And so this is the first one of the season. Located about 500 miles east-southeast of Bermuda, the trough low pressure is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms, only about a 10% chance of tropical formation over the next 7 days. Nonetheless, whenever one of these areas is designated as an invest, more models are run on this area, and we have a better grip. We start to get more information as to the nuts and bolts of this and where we expect this to go and how it could progress. So there you have it. The next 7 days, 20% chance for development in this area right here. Of course, that X indicates the exact area that is being watched, and this would eventually move in this direction. That's why the area, the possible development area, was drawn in that sort of elongated oval shape. So there's no way it's going to move that way and make a run for the U.S. mainland. This is going to be a fish storm from start to finish. So that's good news. This is the best way to start the Atlantic hurricane season. A storm out in the middle of the Atlantic that is moving away from the United States. This is all good news. This is going to have some rough conditions and rough going as it moves further and further to the north and the east, and it'll eventually fizzle out. There's a lot of dust, some hostile winds that it's got to deal with, as right now things not all that conducive in the Atlantic for tropical system development. The ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone here, moving along that green bar that you're seeing, and we do have a couple of tropical waves, four of them that we're actually watching out for, but none of them showing any signs of life. Eventually, the ITCZ will glide a little bit further north and tap into warmer water later this season, and that's when we could likely see the main development region come alive a little bit more. But as of right now, the Atlantic, fairly quiet. We've got that one area that we're watching, the Invest that I just mentioned.